In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit titles and paragraphs on your Wix website. To get started, open your Wix site in the editor. This is the main workspace where you can make changes to the content and design of your website. Once you're inside the site editor, go to the page where the text appears that you want to update. This could be a heading, a title, a paragraph, or any other text box on the page. When you find the title or text section you want to change, simply double-click directly on it. As soon as you do that, you'll notice one of two things happen. Either the text becomes highlighted, or you'll see a blinking cursor appear inside the text box. Both of these are signs that the text is now active and ready to be edited. At this point, you can start typing to make your changes. If the text is highlighted, typing will replace the existing text right away. If you see the blinking cursor, you can click into a specific spot and edit only that part of the sentence or paragraph. This makes it easy to correct wording, rewrite a section, or update your page content without affecting anything else on the page. As you edit, take a moment to read through the text carefully so your titles and paragraphs stay clear, polished, and easy for visitors to understand. Titles should be short and attention-grabbing, while paragraph text should be readable and well-organized. You can also customize how the text looks. At the top of the editor, you'll see options to change the font, adjust the size, and update the color. These settings help you match your website's style and make your content look more professional. In addition to those basic tools, Wix also shows more text formatting options, so you can further refine the appearance if needed. If you're making visual changes, it's a good idea to keep your text style consistent across the page. Using the same font family and similar sizing for related content helps your website look clean and organized. For paragraphs, make sure the size is comfortable to read, and for titles, choose a style that stands out clearly. Once you've finished editing your text and adjusting the formatting, your content is updated right in the editor. That's all it takes to edit titles and paragraphs in Wix, and it's a quick way to keep your website current and professional.